see so much superstar.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. The system is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been directed to www.oralert.gov for more information. Your local broadcasters volunteer their airtime to bring you these messages. This test was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Austin, Brazos, Burleson, Grimes, Leon, Madison, Milam, Robertson, Walker, Waller, Washington. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.
Weather looks like it's cooperating. Well, let's talk about some warm temperatures now.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
This is the routine Wednesday morning test of the National Weather Service's NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is normally conducted during each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is severe weather in the area or threatening the area, the test is then postponed until Thursday morning or until the next good weather day. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Repeating once again, this is the routine Wednesday morning test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This concludes the test.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. The test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station West North G631 operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Macon County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Jackson, Macon, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.
That's coming off some isolated lake effect snow. Warmer weather building.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
This is the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Bismarck, North Dakota. The preceding audio signals contain the emergency alert system counter codes and the warning alarm tones to test the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. Tests of these codes and the warning alarm tone are conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time for between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Mountain Time. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. These counter codes and alarm tones will normally be used for weather warnings and emergency messages for 38 counties in western and central North Dakota, Harding and Perkins counties in northwestern South Dakota, and Sheridan, Richland, and Roosevelt counties in northeastern Montana. Once again, this was a weekly test of the alarm tone and county code tones. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Do you? Okay, so for the RMT, we're gonna have WRBT, WNNK, WITF, WQXA will be in the background. This is gonna be the angle, and then this is WWKL, and then on my other phone, WIKZ, WARM, WTPA. And on my web server, it will be WKYJ if they end up going.
Regulation overhead. You know, I've been covering this story now for so many years.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the emergency alert system, originating from Pennsylvania emergency Harrisburg. This is only a test.
The race remains to be seen if there is one.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.